Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the background, I am not in my apartment. I am not anywhere that you guys have seen before. I'm actually in my hotel suite thing in Maui in Hawaii, which is absolutely crazy to say. I've been vlogging the whole thing. I don't know if it's already up or not, like if my Hawaii vlog's already up or if this one's up before that, but if the Hawaii vlog's already up, then I'll link them up here so you guys can go watch them. I'm still here for a few more days, and yeah, I don't even know when this video that you guys are watching is gonna go up. My schedule has been kind of crazy, just being on vacation and trying to, you know, schedule videos and stuff. So I want to apologize for my voice because it is kind of gone. I don't know why, but I wanted to film this in Hawaii for you guys because I just thought might as well, you know. Also, I look really bad. Like, my hair looks really rough and I don't have any makeup on other than moisturizer. So, but I just thought that I would do a quick little Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited. We landed in Maui last night and got ready and then immediately went to the Louis Vuitton store here in Maui. And yeah, so I picked up a Louis Vuitton bag, and I do have some Louis Vuitton items. I have a Louis Vuitton bag, I have a Louis Vuitton key pouch, but this is like my first like big purchase, if that makes sense. The purse that I have already from Louis Vuitton was pre-loved, and so this was just a big deal for me, and I'm so excited like to show you guys. And this is the first time I'm like unboxing it myself. I got it last night, but I just wanted to wait till this morning to film it. So yeah, if you guys want to see the bag that I got and hear me talk about it a little bit, then just keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell, and let's get started. So I made the decision a few months ago to purchase my first like real like Louis Vuitton bag from the store, because like I said, the bag before was pre-loved and I didn't get it from the store. But my key pouch that I have on my keys was from the store, just like online or whatever. But yeah, so I've made the decision a few months ago to do it when I was in Hawaii, because I was gonna get it before Hawaii, but I didn't want to like get it online. I thought I might as well just try it on in store. So I looked up places in Maui, and there was a Louis Vuitton store right next to our hotel, because we're in the like higher end part of Maui, I guess. But it was actually cheaper to get it here in Hawaii than back home or online because of the tax rate. The tax rate in North Carolina is 7%, and the tax rate here is 4.1. And the bag, this bag that I got online from the Louis Vuitton store, is $1,320. But then here it was only $1,190. So if I were to get it back home, the bag would have been over $1,400 because it was $1,320, and then I think $92 in tax with the 7% tax rate. So it just made more sense, but I didn't know that. Like, when I got to the store last night and I was talking to the lady there, she was like, yeah, our tax rate's a lot lower and it's just overall it's cheaper here. And she explained why, but I was kind of confused, and I was just like, okay, like fine with me, whatever, I'm happy about it. So I saved like almost $200 by doing it this way, maybe more, I don't know, I'm really not good at math. So I had the bag in mind. I wanted the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, and I wanted it in either the monogram or the damier canvas. I think that's the only two you can get. So I have it pulled up on my phone, but the MM is the medium size, and then the GM is the biggest, and then the PM is the smallest. So I know I wanted the MM for the size. The PM is just way too small and the GM was way too big. And this bag is so cool because I'll actually show you, but it can cinch in. It's really cool how it works. But yeah, so they have the monogram canvas, which is the one that like everybody has, and then they have the damier Ebene canvas, which actually my other Louis Vuitton is this canvas, this print, and then they have the damier Azur. And honestly, I went into the store thinking I was gonna get the damier Azur, which is the white and gray canvas print, and I was really gonna get that one. I thought it was perfect for summer. I wanted a cute little summer bag. I was gonna get the pink interior, had it all figured out. But I also really liked the brown one, which is the damier Ebene, which is my other Louis Vuitton that I have. I didn't want the monogram because everybody has that, and I really just didn't want the monogram. So I went in there and I was looking at the two bags side by side, and first of all, hold on, I knew I wanted the rose ballerina lining, I think is what it's called. the pink lining. Yeah, it's Rose Ballerina. And the monogram didn't have that. They just have this fuchsia. It's like a, no, it's called Pavillon. It's like a really dark pink. And I knew I wanted the Rose Ballerina interior. So I walk in and I'm like, hey, do you guys have the bag? And I told them the Neverfull MM. And she's like, yeah. And we walk over there and it was on display with the pink interior and then the brown Damier Ebene. And I was like, whoa, like that's so cool. I thought I was gonna have to special order the Rose Ballerina interior because I've only seen one person have the Rose Ballerina interior. The rest are either the cherry or the beige. And so I was like really shocked to have them, to see it on display. Like it was really weird and just meant to be that I get it. So she set the two bags out and it was either the Damier Ebene or the Damier Azur. And I tried them both on and looked in the mirror and immediately me and my mom were both like, get the brown. Like the white didn't look that good on me. I don't know, it just didn't look as good in person as it does online to me. And I was like drawn to the brown, even though I already have the brown. It'd be hard to keep clean, and then also I wasn't in love with it like I saw online, or like I was online. And then the third thing being that it was more of a summer bag and I wanted this bag to wear year round, you know? It was really pretty, but just not as pretty as the brown one. So I decided to get the brown one, which is the Damier Ebene. And I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up because I know you guys just wanna see it. But it was a really, really cool experience. If you guys ever wanna purchase a Louis Vuitton, I definitely recommend going in store because it was just a really cool experience and I had a great time doing it. So they give you, of course, this big bag. The handles are really nice. I know you guys don't care about that, but whatever. And then she wrapped it up all nicely for me. And I think I'm just gonna carry this on the plane back to North Carolina. I don't think I'm gonna pack this. Just, I don't wanna risk that. But I will have to pack the box, obviously. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Just tore the ribbon off. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. So they give you the little like authentication card, I guess, and like some information and my receipts and stuff. And then you get the dust bag. This is so nice. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna pull out the dust bag. I'm so excited. It's literally gorgeous. Like I said, this is the first time I'm opening my bag. I did see it in store, obviously. I love this so much. This is crazy. I cannot believe that this is mine. Like I really cannot believe it. So here's what it looks like, and you can actually adjust the ends and make it cinch in. And I think that's really cute. But let me show you guys the inside. It's this really pretty rose color, and you can't really tell it when it's on necessarily, but I love it so much. I knew I wanted the pink like so bad. That's why, one of the reasons why I didn't want the monogram canvas, because it was a dark pink and I didn't like it. I just wanted the pink inside because it's so different, because not a lot of people have the rose color inside at all. So I just wanted to be really, really different with it and get it and make it unique, you know? But then it also comes with this detachable key pouch, I guess. And it's like a little wallet situation. And it's just got the rose on the inside too. I really like this. You can wear it like as a clutch even, but I really like that. It's just truly a gorgeous bag, and I'm so excited that it's actually mine. But yeah, so like I said, when you're carrying it, you can't really see the rose, which is fine, but I really do like the pink on the inside because, like I said, not a lot of people have it, and pink's my favorite color right now. It used to be yellow, but pink is like my favorite color. I'm gonna have to play around with it, but I know you can cinch it in and make it smaller, which I really liked, but I like it this size the best, I think. So I'm gonna have to play around with it. But yeah, this is my bag. You guys know I've done this type of video before with my Gucci purse, and I still love that bag so much, and I'll still carry it a lot because I really like small bags. I don't like medium bags. I like a small bag, like a really small bag, to a pretty big bag. I would say this is a large bag for me. I don't know, I just feel like I'm either going small or I'm going big, you know? I don't know. I don't really like the in-between sizing, so now I have my Gucci purse for when I want to carry a few essential items, or then my Louis Vuitton. So I've got both, and I'm super, super excited. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to do more unboxing videos or more reviews or anything like that, then just let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like the bag as much as I do. Let me know what you think of the bag down below, and if you've purchased it or you're thinking about getting one, just let me know because I totally recommend it. It's such a good bag. I'm just so excited, and yeah, I'm just like really happy with my decision on the color scheme and everything. I just think it's really unique and so me. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.